Okay, hello everybody. The video not yet posted next day or next. I actually had some problems with the mic and with my life in general, so I could not post the video in time. Today I will make the second part of the video. Well, I continue making s- my laboratories for my classes. So today we're gonna do the second one. We can use the translator and then let's translate this page. So lab 2 processing window type components. Okay, let's see what we have. This time I will not try to live translate, I will directly translate them on Google, and because it's a bit hard for me to translate them. But we have 9 tasks today, all will be done in C#. It's not valid. Oh yeah, that's the form name, sorry. What is the title though? It's gonna be a text, so it's the text. Why are these qualifications not off? Sorry for that. I will probably uh, streamer mode enable it. Yep. Okay. Placenta Alexei. Further. We leave the background like this. Open the toolbox. Get a button. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl V. You got 3 buttons. But I'm gonna remove these 2 actually because they're kinda ugly. So let's customize this one. We call it show. Okay, you can see it's called show. Display style or flat appearance. Let's make it flat. Border size, border color. Let's give it a color. Where's the color? Back color. Okay, let's for example show. Let's make it green like this. And I think we're gonna even make it a bit bigger, so 75 by 25, or let's say 100 by 35. Yeah, that's a big button. Let's make it from 9 points to, let's say, 11, bigger. And the text, I could leave it to black, but I will make it black, make it white. Okay, let's add some effects to it, so when you click it, it's gonna go a bit darker, and when it's gonna go over, it's gonna make it a bit darker as well. They're both green, so let's make this one dark green. So the base color is a bit of a limeish, and when you have your mouse over it, it's gonna go a bit green, more dark green, and then it's gonna be when you click it, like see, and when you click it, it's becoming full dark. Okay, let's do the same thing 3 more times. Control Z. Why the buttons like looking like this? Does my Z work? It works, but it doesn't work. Control Z. Okay, I'll delete them. Yeah. Okay, let's make this one hide. Oh, if you're curious what grade I got on the last one, so am I. So, laboratory 1, there is no grade. He did not grade me. So let's check out. So let's go back to the second one. Let's hide, make it red. Lighter red. This text can stay white. And on the flat appearance, okay, let's change the mouse over to, I would say, RGB. It's red, so it's gonna be 240.00. Let's say 175, 70 even, and this one 200. cross. I will be posting this on GitHub again, as always. So let's do it again. Button equals sender as button. If button is null, then return. Let's switch on the button dot button dot name. And let's put case pt cross fake. Case bt help. If you have suggestions and better way to do this, you can tell me in description. I will be glad to accept your feedback. And case, let's say bt no drop break, and the default statement break it as well. Okay, we got 3 statements. All of them will have different behavior. So cursor, it's so Visual Studio has this IntelliSense and AI built into it and gives him suggestions. These suggestions might not always work. So for example, if I put it with cross, let's try it. It's also being laggy. Just a second, let's start it. It's building. Okay, so let me click it, and it gave me, see, it's crossed now. Okay, copy this code 3 more times, 2 more times. Remove the lines and change them according to the names. Help, no drop. What is the name? Hold on. C#, WinForms, C#, no drop cursor. Let the modify cursors dot no drop. So this doesn't work. Yeah, let's put it to no to work, right? Wait, it's no move. No, let's put just no. And let's start the up. Let's see. See the cross. I got the cross. I got the help, and I got the no. But it's gonna be different. I guess there's this one, because it's not another one. Is there really not? No. I guess it's done. Okay, then that was quite it, I guess. The up works. So let's move to the third one. Let's see what it is. Let's create a new one. Same thing, Problemathay. .NET 6. Translated. Let's know you. Like so. So create the move application on the surface of the form with the title move. 4 buttons will be placed with the respective titles. Hope the sound does not cut off, because it might. Create the move application on the surface of the form with the title move. 4 buttons will be placed with the respective titles: up, down, right, left. Clicking on one of the buttons will move the shape. So the shape, but 20% compared to the previous position of the shape. This is the shape, it's the application. Applicacji. Of the application, yeah. Let's say applicacja. Yeah, it's not application. Okay, so this time we make it 400 by 400. Let's get the button from the second one. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Put you to the left. Ctrl V to the up. Let's make this a bit smaller too. Let's say I want to make it 300 by 300. No, don't create them. Okay, and like so. Okay, let's all you. Since they're gonna be control buttons, let's make them 50 by 50. Like so. Okay, gonna be the up. Button up. Gonna be the right one. Button right. Button down. Button left. Okay, now let's change the text. Left. Right. Down. Good. Just the right doesn't really fit in. Bubbles. 60-60 works. Let's rename it to console pause position / click. So button equals But I'm pretty sure there was a better option because here I wrote button 3 times. C# auto assign variable. Oh, you can use var. Okay, so yeah, var. Because from this you can understand it's a button. So switch again, button. Okay, they all got the right names. Okay, let's say case button up. Let's say case how do I use the goto things? C# switch goto statement. Say I want to go to found. Where is found? Oh, so I would have to go like go to case bt down. Yeah. Okay, case bt left. Let's put a break here. Case bt right. Go to case bt left. I'll be right back in 1 minute. Okay, so I'm back from I'll say for a bit. Okay, so we need to move the application by 20% in each direction. So let's say 20% from which of the purpose. Okay, so let's not use cases, let's just make them separately. So to make it break. So let's say this dot top dot down times equal 0.2. 1.2. I cannot be assigned to what you're talking about. So you can do this, but you cannot do the otherwise. You. So let's say the top is gonna be equal to 1.2 negative. Better solution for this. 100 times 0.2. No, not gonna work. Needs to top. Let's make it int as well. It's plus equal. Watch it be in reverse. It's never working first slide, it's just in reverse, always. So basically what I did, I changed the top and left position to get the controls. So down, right works, the left doesn't work, the upper one doesn't work, and the down one doesn't work. Finicky. But at least the right one works, right? And goes to the left. Okay, so the right one will have to change it to the plus, the left one will have to change it to the minus. Okay, the right one works. The left one, the upper one. Oh, I know why they don't work. Yeah, I know for sure why it doesn't work. Also, if button equals no return. Okay, so let's. Oop. Got an error. Let's click on upper one. And let's go to events and click yes. Okay, task is this. Down. Okay, they almost work. So I have to switch this as well. Okay, waiting for it to build. So right, left, down, up. Amazing, works. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Let's keep the form open though. Let's add new project. Problema 4. Meaning is the default one already. How much time are we recording for? I don't want the videos to make them absolutely long, but we're recording for 43 minutes at this point. And I think it's gonna be a bit longer. And I hope the songs from Love Hip Hop are not gonna be copyrighted, otherwise it's gonna be a really big pain. And they might be. I have possibly placed on the surface of the form. Arrange. The bottom will be positioned in the middle of the form. Clicking on the bottom surface. Oh, this one's a fun one. Okay, so let's make it 400 by 400. Let's get a button, for example U, from here. So size, doesn't matter the size. Let's just change the text to plus. Let's make the text bold and a bit bigger, 16, like so. Okay, so now we're gonna do a little trick for this one. We have the dock, and let's make it full. So now it's full screen. And now we're setting the padding of this to all 500, let's see. Too big, too much, 400. Still doesn't work. 300. 100, yes, 50. 10. Oh, we need to go bigger. 150. 150. Let's put the border style to none. And then the size, when I actually reveal it to those colors, like so. And now we can make it 200. We still can't. Why? $180, please. Thank you. Okay, so what's your size now? God knows. Okay, so it's 180 now. But enlarge this dot padding dot all equals 1. Works? No. I'll modify padding. We need to make it 0.15 bigger, so let's integerize it like so. Works, should be working. Let's try it out. So what I did, I used the padding property in order to set the size of the button. So for example, it's just gone. I need to make it minus equal. 0.15. Let's say do it like so. It gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And certainly and it never reaches the end. Okay, so this is a major problem because we are focusing on padding, but we need to focus on the button size. So if we debug the line, let's say var button equals sender as button console.writeline button.size. Where are the logs going? Can somebody tell me? Does debug work? I haven't even clicked the button. Let's hit the breakpoint. Bah. Yes. Let's check for locals. Let's I need your size. Where's your size? 40 by 40. So yeah, the size works. Let's say take one of them, the height, the width, doesn't matter. Yeah, the pattern slowly goes bigger and bigger until it takes over all of the screen. Okay, let's just... Oop, I did it too fast, didn't I? Yep, it's bugged. So let's say you... The border star should be 0. Yep, it is the horse size. So let's say if button dot size dot height bigger than this dot height, then x dot close. Oh, give dot exit. Good. It doesn't work. Like so, perhaps. Alright, hold on. bigger or equal as well, so we don't, like, it could be equal to it and doesn't destroy. We need to destroy it in that case as well, because it took all of the space, so bah, destroyed it. Okay, then that's the fourth one for you. Let's make the fifth one. Problem change. We'll create it. Meantime, let's go translate it. Extra space here. This one is not. Extra space here. Create the operations app. 2 buttons will be placed on the surface of the phone with the title Operations. Wow. The first button will be default. Default property set to true. Clicking on its surface or pressing enter key will change its title to I typed enter. The second button with the title Ask button to cancel the form. Cancel property set to true. Clicking on its surface or pressing the S key will close the form. Interesting. So let's see. I make it 400 by 400 again. You know what, actually 250 this time. Let's make some difference. Let's get some buttons. So let's name it Operatie. Size 100 by, I would say 45. Okay, let's call this BT enter. Because it's a bit confusing already, you know, for me. Like, what the hell do they mean? Even if I don't mean if you input it, like, it's gonna be default. What do they mean by that? So I'm gonna name it BT default. And then the text will be default. Okay, and a second button with the title Ask. BT Ask. Okay, so we will have to, first off, I'm gonna make this a bit smaller for my own comfort. Drag this a bit to this side. Var button equals sender as button. Why am I doing this? Because I'm not a nester. I don't really like nesting, so I will keep it like this, clean. So let's say button.text equals am tastat enter. Nu o să ne mai ani. What will happen if I put am tastat enter here? Okay, it's way too big. So we have to lower the text a bit to smaller sizes. For example, 9. YouTube. Let's see, yeah, that's gonna work. For this one, let's make them in different colors. I just leave them like this for now. Okay, leave it like this. Let's make the key up. E dot key code, I guess. Default break keys dot, let's say, enter. BT default is gonna be untested enter. There's so mundane to do. That's why I'm decided to stream. Not stream, but record them, doing them. It feels progress, and I'm gonna post on YouTube. Perhaps I'm gonna gain some views, some subscribers, some people interested in my programming. Okay, let's try it out. Not this one. 5th. Compared to the previous video, these builds are going much faster just because of the I switched to Visual Studio. It was running on my HD, now it's running on my SSD, so it's a bit faster. And start enter and close. Okay. Now let's try with, let's say, I press enter and start enter and ask, it's gonna close it, right? My escape doesn't work. Accidentally press the power button. Does my escape doesn't work? Not work? It doesn't. Why doesn't it work? Let's put a break here. Let's see if that is yet detected. It doesn't. It doesn't even break. Hello? Okay, fine. It's here, it doesn't work, I don't know. have been recording for on over an hour. I'll record this and then I'll make a part 2. I'll upload it tomorrow, I think. So they use escape. Doesn't work. Okay, either way. 5 problems, 4 more tomorrow. I'll edit this video and see you tomorrow, I guess. Not I guess, but subscribe, like, comment what you did not like about my programming, comment what you liked about my programming. Tell me some improvements I could do, some, I don't know, suggestions. In general, I will build this just as my portfolio so people can see our work, how much homework I have in college. And if I don't do this, I actually don't get admitted at the end of the year. So, bye bye. This was Hunt. See you in the next video.